Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock getting stuck bolt slash handle fix plus alignment. To fix a stuck Schlage door lock, first determine if the issue is mechanical or electrical. Test if the bolt operates smoothly while the door is open. If it does, the strike plate needs repositioning. If it is stuck even with the door open, the internal motor or latch is likely jammed. Fix 1. The door is misaligned or hitting the frame. First, check the bolt pocket. The hole in your door frame, the bolt pocket, should be at least 1 inch deep so that the deadbolt can fully extend without dragging. Next, adjust the strike plate. Loosen the screws slightly on the metal strike plate in the door jamb. Shift it slightly in the direction needed, tighten the screws, and test the lock. Then fix sagging hinges. If you have to lift the door to lock it, tighten your hinge screws or install hinge shims to raise the door back into its proper position. Fix 2. The internal latch is jammed. Manually retract the bolt. Remove the interior and exterior lock components. For a deadbolt, insert a flathead screwdriver into the center spindle and turn it towards the hinges. For a doorknob lever, use needle nose pliers to grip the latch's internal tabs and pull them towards the hinges to force retraction. Fix 3. The electronic motor is jammed. Smart lock. First, replace the batteries. Weak batteries can cause the motor to stall. Use a fresh premium alkaline batteries. Then check motor wires. Remove the interior lock cover. Ensure the small wire connecting the keypad to the interior assembly is securely plugged in and not pinched. Next, perform a factory reset. If the mechanical parts work but the keypad fails, you can perform a factory reset or Schlage lock. Refer to your specific model's manual for the exact reset button and programming code sequence. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.